Hello students, today we will start unit 2 fractions and decimals. So here we are going to do question number 1 of exercise 2.1. It is given solve. In this question we will add or subtract the given fractions. Let's see first part. It is given 2 minus 3 upon 5. First of all there is no denominator, so we will put 1 here. Now we will find the LCM of 1 and 5. So LCM will be here 5. We will write here LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now we will write an equivalent fraction to 2 by 1 with the denominator 5. For that we will multiply 2 by 1 with 5 and keep the same minus 3 by 5. So it will be 2 5s are 10, 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Then we will write here common denominator, that is 5, and numerator 10 minus 3. So it will give the answer equal to 7 upon 5. Okay. Now let's see second part. It is given 4 plus 7 upon 8. So here also we will first put denominator 1. Now here the LCM of 1 and 8, it is 8. We will find the LCM of the denominators. So here one denominator is 1 and other is 8. So LCM will be 1 multiply 8, that is 8. Now we will write an equivalent fraction to 4 by 1 with the denominator 8. And keep the same 7 upon 8. Now it comes 4 8s are 32 upon 8 plus 7 upon 8. Now we will write the common denominator, that is 8, and we will add the numerators 32 plus 7. It is 39 upon 8. So it is an improper fraction because here numerator is greater than the denominator. Therefore we can write it into the mixed fraction. So its mixed fraction will be 4 and 7 upon 8. Okay, 8 4s are 32 plus 7, 39 upon 8. So we can write into the mixed fraction, it will be 4 and 7 by 8. Now let's see third part. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Here we have denominator 5 and 7. So first of all LCM of 5 and 7, it will be 35. Both are prime numbers, so their product will be the LCM. Now we will make both fractions equivalent to the fraction with the denominator 35. So for that we will multiply 3 by 5 with 7 and 2 by 7 with 5. So we will have here 3 7s are 21 and 5 7s are 35, same as here 10 upon 35. Now we will write the common denominator 35 and we will add 21 plus 10. It will give the answer equal to 31 upon 35. Okay. Now let's see fourth part. It is given 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. So here first of all LCM of 11 and 15, it is equal to 165. Okay. Now we will make equivalent to a fraction with the denominator 165. For that we will multiply 9 by 11 with 15 and 4 by 15 with 11. So here it will be 135 upon 165 minus 44 upon 165. Now common denominator 165. So here 135 minus 44 and it will give equal to 91 upon 165. Okay, I hope you are getting. Now the next part is 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. So here first of all we will find the LCM of the denominators 10, 5 and 2. For that we can opt one method. We will find here LCM of 10, 5 and 2. So for that First of all, we will divide these numbers by 2. So we will get here 2 5s are 10. 5 is not divisible, so we will keep it same. 2 1s are 2. Now these are divisible by 5, so we will take here 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So LCM will be product of 2 and 5, that is 10. Now we will write these two fractions. It has already denominator 10. Now we will make these two fractions equivalent to a fraction with the denominator 10. So for that, we will multiply 2 by 5 with the 2, because 5 to the 10, and 3 by 2 with 5, so that we can have denominator 10. So it will come equal to 7 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10 plus 15 upon 10. Now we will write the common denominator 10, and we will add the numerator 7 plus 4 plus 15, and it will be equal to 26 upon 10. Okay, it will be 26 upon 10. Now let's see the sixth part. It is given 2 and 2 by 3 plus 3 and 1 by 2. So these fractions are given into mixed fraction. First of all, we will write an improper fraction for these fractions. So here it will be 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3, plus 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. Now we will find the LCM of this. So here LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. Here LCM of 3 and 2, it is 6, because both are prime numbers. So LCM of these denominators will be product of these denominator, that is 3 multiplied 2, it is equal to 6. Now we will write an equivalent fractions. For that, we will multiply 8 by 3 by 2, so that we can have denominator 6, and 7 by 2 with 3. So we will have fractions a 2 the 16 upon 6 and 7 3 the 21 upon 6. And now we will add it. So it will be 6, 16 plus 21. It will be equal to 37 upon 6. Now this is an improper fraction. This is also, so we can convert into the mixed fraction. We can write here, it will be 6 and 1 upon 6. Convert into the mixed fraction. I hope you know how to convert into the mixed fraction. Now let's see seventh part. Here also both are given mixed fractions. So first we will convert into the improper fraction. a to the 16 plus 1, 17 upon 2. 8 3 the 24 plus 5, 29 upon 8. Now first of all, LCM of 2 and 8. So we can find out here 2 and 8's LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now it is divisible only by 4. 2 4s are 8. So LCM is 8 here. Now we will write equivalent fractions with the denominator 8. So for that we will multiply 17 by 2 with 4, and 29 upon 8, it is already have denominator 8. Now multiply 17 4s are 68 and minus 29 upon 8. 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. Now write common denominator, that is 8. Now we will subtract 68 minus 29. It will be equal to 39 upon 8. Okay, we can write into the mixed fraction. It will be 4 and 7 upon 8. So this was the solution of question number 1 of exercise 2.1.